Okay, our next question here is to do with multiplying fractions. So all we need to do for the first one is to multiply our answer and give it in its simplest form. So we know that when we multiply fractions, we can just multiply the tops and multiply the bottoms. Now, it would be sensible for us to look to see if we could simplify this straight away. But let's say you haven't done that. 2 times 9 gives us 18. 3 times 10 gives us 30. Now we want it in its simplest form, so I'm now going to try and find numbers that go into 30 and go into 18. So remember, when we do this, we don't just want to pick obvious ones, we want to try and think of what's the largest number or the highest common factor of both of these numbers. And that answer is 6. 6 is the largest number that goes into both 18 and to 30. 6 goes into 18 3 times. 6 goes into 30 5 times. So here's our answer as simply as possible. Now we do have an alternative method for doing this, and that's to try and simplify as we go. 2/3 times by 9/10. Now if I look here, I can spot that I've got common factors. I know that 2 fits into 10 5 times, so I could divide this by 2, divide this by 2. I know that 3 fits into 9 3 times, so I could divide this by 3 and get 1, divide this by 3 and get 3. I should have said that 2 divided by 2 makes 1. And then finally, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 5 is 5. Notice how we get the same answer. Up to you to decide which one's easiest. Okay, part B. Eric, the cat, eats 2/3 of a tin of cat food every day. How much cat food will Eric eat in 7 days? So we want here 7 lots of 2/3. 7 times 2/3. So we imagine this to be a fraction, 7 over 1, and we just multiply. 7 times 2 is 14. 1 times 3 is 3. Now this is currently an improper fraction because the number on top is bigger than the bottom number, so we think, how many 3's fit into 14? 3 will fit into 14 4 times. 4 lots of 3 makes 12. And I'll have 2 left over. How much cat food will Eric eat in 7 days? 4 2/3 tins.